Good afternoon, country people. Them we glad say we don't meet up una for inside Tori House this afternoon with other Tori them. We'll be promising them. This afternoon we go take una go for that side. So for cat etage now for Bonaberi with some uniform man. After we jam some Okada people then say that the vex put fire for a motor. That one happen this weekend. Now so too we go take una enter for inside Boya where the year say part for Boya. She done for more than 1 week just now. We water never come out. So early morning time, all picking them get for fine buckets, fine bottle them for go see as so they go carry water for inside town for Boya. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go take una. We talk this palaver too where it pass for inside Douala here. Now for head office for custom for side for UPA where they be cash. So they 140 packet them for wrapping papers. Sabi say ngom now if you don't put a commander say any kind of wrapping paper, you know be get for enter for inside country. We go talk that palaver. We go take una too. We talk palaver for GCE and back where you don't start for this side for Douala. All thing don't the work fine. Just as so Tori enter we for that side for Kumba. Say it is so exam it start fine. But Sabi say today na the normal country Sunday for that side. All this story them we go finish and we wait till our own combi them where they do for inside newspaper then too. They get for talk for we inside their own chapter. Big part up for this afternoon it tell we person where you know well you know fit ever get faith for doctor or nurse where he must have the say coffin. As a person where you know well you know fit ever get confidence for doctor or nurse where he must have the say coffin. Now Arthur Derrick we come before Facebook. Now send we big part up for this afternoon. I the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country. We glad say we don't join again for this side for Equinox Tori House before we enter for Palava for GCE for side for Kumbam and other Tori them. We go start now with this Palava for Watam where it the worry section for inside Boya con the people them for early morning time. It is in only people them say where they wakam now with the container them and other kind thing that where they go now for go carry watam. Sabi say the roadway the waka so for inside now roadway up plenty people them they the waka so till last they go meet up we go meet up them for sideway they so they carry water for inside sideway they call them say Boya. This one it don't happen now for 1 week where it they so some section for inside Boya just now they never fit for drink water and they beg make mayor he try for do something sideway you see all the population turn up so na place where they so they struggle now for find water for drink water in no day at all so population for Boya for section for Boya all them they don't come gather now for this small water where they pass so for see as so they get for carry water na Boya no be na any kind of place Boya sese usabi na headquarter like Boya you know get for the suffer so like water also na the see people them they struggle only for carry water a way you know they at all they beg make council people them or country a try for do something on top this palaver. We go take una go for that side for corner cat etage or if you take una for cat etage now for inside Douala so country people them where it is so thing they be war Saturday we pass breaking Sunday according to Tori we enter we here as we motor sell for Ketu people them it's also turn up motor one the see am so na some uniform man in motor where he be get am this uniform man Congo side we enter we here he jam some Okada man so the Okada man he die now for the way Okada people then say the vex they burn the motor so for that side so for cat etage as so here this palaver happen na Saturday breaking Sunday morning time as so one land for the way even company where they look at dirty they don't come for can see as so they go clean the dirty and even ground will be overflow for that place. Sabi say the palaver is surprise plenty people them for that side so for cat etage the die body for that Okada man as so the talk it then for co-house. Chapter for that accident we close we open chapter for this small picking for 7 moon where they be catchy now for that side so for inside Madison bar for village for elf where they meet up this picking after we 3 hours, if you don't make announce on top this palava, if you don't make some announce for the palava with the pikin, it don't lost. Now for Madison Bar, for that side, so for Elf, for Village, where they last meet up this pikin, so con the people them as soon as see am. Mami pikin, neither way the need, so na small girl, na student, where he born pikin, then the tiffy that pikin, for that side, so for mile 4 motor park. Sabi say as well they carry that pikin one time, put am for inside motor, plus persuaded pikin. Direction, e be there na for 8th district police station, na for Dakar, where Commissioner Aswa Martin, where SSF, e be there for workplace. He too, he be na the first man for whole pikin. As well they so they define na the number 2 pikin this where work people them for that side. They define them. Even police officer where he be there for duty. Now all then they help and the team where they be come out for outside for go see as well they so they get for help the family where they come out right for Limbe. Them too they be there. Now them say that the 2 team them the people them where they be there inside. Una sabi say the pikin na pikin where they thief am from him mommy for Wednesday last week. Mommy be one travel go Bamendam. He be the give Bobby for pikin. As well pikin he be the play so other woman. Now so to come on say make you go put credit. Only for one come back, the woman don't disappear with the pikin. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Equinox Story House, he make the announce, he talk palava the pikin for Friday and Saturday. Now for them they last see this pikin. The woman says way he tip the pikin, he talk say be there with Belem, but he lost his own pikin. Now for Sika why that way tip different my pikin. So just now, he then for inside back counter. Make we hear wait till the mommy for pikin and papa way the lookout that mommy for pikin. They talk.
I feel very happy. I feel very glad. I don't even talk. I don't even know how to talk how I feel, but I just thank God for showing me the pikin. For the way He showed me the pikin today, at least I really thank God, and I thank person way to see the pikin. He call me. I've been very happy and very glad.
Thank God, and I want to thank first of all Ambassador Way. He send out the image for people they made in Siam, and after that they still call me say they don't see the pikin. I want to thank especially the person way he really see the pikin beside him, then he no feel as to stay quiet, and he call me from morning so they has succeed for carry Sodwala to see the pikin. I thank God for you. Everything will give glory.
Yes, so be sorry for that sound quality. We'll go surely turn back for that palava in the proper. But just so Sabi say this palava for what will be just the talkam. Sabi say Tori we just the enter we hear. The tell we say place them for Buya like Bukwango and Nanga for that side for Buya. They don't sit down for 4 months. They never see correct water for drink for their eyes. So authority for that side. Maybe they get better work for do than for other things the way they use or do am. So Boboyam, Bokwango and Nanga, 4 months where they never get better water for drink. As so the talk for this side. Just now we go continue to read for talk on top this palava wrapping paper them where it is so they be a sesam. Now for that side so for big office for custom for UPOE. Now for that side so where it is so custom work people then say after where they give them a small tori palava this wrapping paper them where they be get for enter for inside Dualam. Now so to one time they go 60 wrapping paper them all that carton them now 140 bag them for carton where the custom people them bag them for custom for wrapping paper them where they meet up and where they be one take and a backdoor for enter for inside Douala here. Sabi saying come now if you don't sign book say no be na any kind of wrapping paper them where we get for use and for inside country and they talk say the wrapping paper they want time say make country the user now one way it no go spoil our environment but so take that time even as we ngomna never do anything forgive the wrapping paper way no go spoil environment the what happen them they don't so continue for enter. So now the head guest said that for the custom side for UPOE now all them said they join hand inside this palava so they cash 140 back them for wrapping paper them for inside that side so for UPOE. So as so the talk they call people them for environment for give them the wrapping. Sabi say the next thing now for chakada that wrapping them as we they take them. We talk this palaver for teacher them, country people them for inside Birmingham. Teacher they be there for before governor office. It be there na this weekend. They say they don't tire. Say all time or as well the palaver they happen. Now only teacher they die. So they beg main governor try for make peace so that this palaver go last finish and make teacher to them too they get peace. Governor no be there, but person will be talk for governor in place. He talk for teacher them say all thing. It go better. Also, they talk this palaver for Northwest Southwest. Sabi say plenty of the people them they don't run camp for Douala. Some other one they on different sides. For inside Presbyterian Church from Ndobo, Sunday way pass. They be there them plenty where they come or they picking them and mommy they on they see them so. Now mommy they way they don't run. Now for sika why that way church people then say as when come na to the struggle for get job. Now so two church people then too. Sunday way pass. They talk say me they try for see as well they go help. This mommy them picking them where they don't run for sika this palaver this other way they happen for Northwest and Southwest. So church for Ndobo Presbyterian Church then say they take time for get up for some of their own church people them when they don't run come up for Northwest and Southwest. So for sika this palaver where it happen for Northwest and Southwest. Mommy them they be talk for Chief Robert Mukube in microphone.
I be Mami Lucy Ebai. I come over from Muyuka, Southwest. I be a patient. I don't be for sickness for 9 years for stroke. So now my pikin bring me here. After this day's trouble start for we day. And then since I come, I do only hospital to hospital. Now 3 weeks now I start better what the can church. So at the time God, I say I can meet up this big gifts where Papa got. He gives we say we go, we run, we come here. We thank Presbyterian Church in Ndobo as they welcome their strangers.
I want to thank Presbyterian Christian there for Ndobo where they make them say me they provide we chalk for we people they will run war, we then have for Douala. So I want to thank them very much where they run give we chalk. So I me and my family for and we fight for day. So the right side they don't give we and the other things then we go at least selfie for some time.
Yes, now some of the people them that's where they don't run come out for different side they dey for Douala for sika problem. Chief Robert Mukube he be put in microphone to for before pastor for church. First way pastor try for telling na the number for people them where they dey inside the church where they don't run for side way trouble day.
We get more than 500 internally displaced brothers and sisters. And every day they come for me, can cry, and they tell me their story. We and they would be for office for some time, I dey cry with them. I dey ask them, say now which crime they commit them for, can they suffer for the way they suffer. So we be sit down and we be pray God, ask he say how we can make their situation better. And so the spirit be revealed for we say, make we tell the Christians such that they will make contributions and then we will help them. So the Christians they be accept and we buy all these things, rice, beans, soap, Maggi and many other things and we share them for them. Now the thing that I see I mean they happen behind me like that and they be very happy. There be things that they don't be lost but they also see say even for here God there with them.
Pastor for inside the Presbyterian Church from Ndobo Day, where they talk for Chief Robert Mukube. We go talk now, palaver for uniform people them. We own brother them, where they don't decide, where they don't choose them, say they get for BB them, commando them. They don't start the last phase for their last exercise before they go confirm them true. Say they be commando, and this one it be happen for weekend. It be then a palaver for waka for 400 kilometers, and Sabi say the palaver 400 kilometers now walk away this so. This we combi them for that side, so for Limbem, they then for Manoa Bay, they get for cover 400 kilometers for their foot. Sabi say now one of the last exercise in this way, if any of them will do and fine, now that time they go feel consider them, say it so, they be na true people then way they don't be prepared for big commando them for inside be so 400 kilometers. Now we do we combi then they start for waka for daytime, so they even for night SSF they be there for roads as soon as they see them. Now they them all that way dey so they don't choose them for the last time. They waka na with the food from Douala side so they enter for that side so for Limbe and sabi say as well they waka then say they sabi say the 400 kilometer no na any kind of small thing race for Douala here. Then last place where they be get for enter con the people them na back where they get for turn back for Limbe na me say na with the foot where they waka they no enter for anyone motor. So any man where he left for back sabi say don't left for back na mean say he no go be again like person where they call and say be from Douala side here they be turn them back for side where they call and say Limbe na for they way they so they last go enter for their B place. So any man way before for back where no be fit for reach for their office for man who obey na it mean say they don't consider it like person way he no be fit and he no go be person for inside B. So the last phase as soon as they see them they do am and after the one they get other one way they get for do am. Sabi say the waka sef for this week combi them wey they want be commando them for inside B. It no be easy at all. It be then a strong waka wey they waka even as you see and they glad. Now someone then this where they already start tire so they put now cutting them for their nose for tell we say blood it dey come out. Then water to be the follow this week combi them. See as well they give them water they get their small thing there they carry water so you drink them now only for before you go that container they own that when you drink your water you put them for inside your bag. So now just so way any side they walk away they check say they get for give them water they carry them water give for them so the waka no be then an easy one as well they carry water now so too they pass the go they carry water they pass the go they be there them plenty here this side now for side for rubber for inside Atiko side as well as sabi now for inside bush where they take small rest sabi say the palava no na palava say they must waka they no rest so one day way their food they said they don't tire they be take time for put their food them then chop to malabide una see am na bread and sardine and no sabi wey dey for inside that wrapping where they don't cut am so all man he get for choppy bread and sardine after he finish choppy bread and sardine he get small pen na so to one time he start waka again so the waka for this we be brother them e no be easy at all make we hear wetin wey one of them dey talk for Steve Ebule a microphone.
Na two don't train me so I'm off here, no man no get problem. So the way now, me the back, we'll go back, we'll finish our race, we'll get them. So we'll finish the race. Now they put you as commandos because we're not finish the race. They send you back for us, they remove the uniform. From the 4 months training. If you not finish the race, they send you back for us. We tell you not be fit for the race. So the race will come on now for 2 o'clock. So we'll be 11 o'clock. We already reach here. So we get about 10 kilometers again for cover them. And that one is a small one for we for cover them. So I talk of God, my guide all for here. And we give all my long life. Because civilian for don't encourage me very badly. I say I'll be very grateful for save my nation Cameroon. Because of my nation Cameroon now. Ambazonia and the Hamburg, Boko Haram the Hamburg. So if you don't take we come from here, have a safe nation, I will save a nation, no fear. So I talk, thank God, thank be to God. And I salute ambassador for Equinox TV.
Yes, country people them now just so the waka they happen for that side for be them. As so I don't talk. Last one, after that one, another one, then they go confirm them, say they be true commando them for inside we country. Just now, we be don't promise una say we'll get for the one we hand time. As I be say time we don't late. But we'll go take una go for that side. So for Idabato, now for Bakassi side. Now that on big day, national big day, so we happen for side for Idabato. Now for inside Bakassi con the people them. So I be say it no easy for say make you get image for that side. For say the connection to it, they ever worry. But we thank God, say the connection, it help we saving as we get and late. For sure now too, as we people them for Idabato, the glad national day 20th May for that side so for inside Bakassi. Sabi say na zone this way plenty people they fear for go work but we be get to them and even mommy them for that side. All them they be come out for outside for glad this national day for that side so for Idabato. Sabi say the head boy for Idabato side day like GO they call him na Ewane Roland Eke na SSL be the divisional officer for inside that side so for Idabato when a part for Bakassi. Them say they be come out them plenty for glad this national day where it just for finish. Sabi say they hear about but they begin for come out. Make we take una turn back for this small for see as we people them for Ida Battle 2. They be glad their National Day.
You can see the women paddling canoe. This is the nature of the area. It's here on fishing. So here you can see the women paddling canoes.
Ida Battle for National Day as we pass. Make we hear the talk with DO for that side. They call it Iwane Roland Eke Itokam for population for Ida Battle.
We are certainly see the message is very pass for here carry people in the march. So when they say no to the burning of houses, no to fighting between one community and another, all those things they not fine. I believe say all we don't learn for the messages. There's some people that they don't feel read those messages. Make I tell them. Now so they talk. Fight is not fight. Killing one another, we talked yesterday, in not fight. Barbarism, make people are things of the past. Occultism are things of the past. Not so? Not so? When the text say, make all man clean heart for inside. They will work a fine, will be like one man. Whenever occasion like this day, make we come up together to celebrate. Now only one time for 1 year. Only one time. Maybe today in the church, in the church, the small church will come. You know, so I want to thank the whole population. I thank everybody who come up.
Oga Iwane Roland Eke na divisional officer for Ida Battle. Na for that side for Bakassi, we big day for National Day be happen. We don't talk say we delay for Sikasi when the no be day. For we forget that image. For time we be get forget other one. Last now we go take una go for inside Kumba for talk for na say na palava for country Sunday one abu one siam for inside Kumba. It be day today as we GCE SSB start for that side so for Kumba. D1 it no be stop Oga SDO into Ndong Shambalen for see as we the exam they happen. It be start now for government bilingual high school station. It go for time we picking the SSB they be already start for right exam. So Oga SDO SSB it be see as we the picking the right and it look the number. Sabi say for government bilingual high school station we hear say 9 center the day. After that one, it be C2 picking the way they write the other section for exam where it then a palava for back. Sabi say for inside that place, one of the tina one picking that way no be where they begin for putty for inside moto. Now one picking will be the right exam where no be where they begin for putty for inside moto. Take it go for hospital for go liquoti before it turn back for continue for write a exam for that side so for inside government bilingual high school station. You know end for day Ogan Tundong Chamberlain as we come up for station. He go for Cameroon College for Arts and Science. Kaskumbam for that side. Will not be fit for enter class, but as soon as Siam, he be English for day, he do all thing. Technical High School to Kumba, na for day we end Iwakam. For C as well people them for inside that school too. They prepare for inside this palava so for exam. So Ogan Tundon Chamberlain, he enter for outside. Toriwe enter with EM. He tell we say for say Kase de Sabi say country Sunday day. all pikin dem dey sleep na for corner, so na just palava, and e don promise say security e go be top so that no attack e no go happen as wey GCE e dey happen and other exam dem. So na so the thing e pass for inside Kumba. Last story for this afternoon before we enter for newspaper, make we take una see as we SDF people them for that side for Loom. They be glad their number 29 bondem. Sabi say thing wey happen for that side for Loom, country people them, plenty of the SDF them, even after we they shidon, they hear the tongue talk wey be get for happen. According to Tori we enter, we hear they be ton with the peace plant, waka for inside Loom side for talk say waiting, they don't tire, people there they so die for inside the country. So them say they take opportunity for talk say they so make they try for make peace, make it turn back for inside country where it they so play the people that they don't die. So they work out the peace plan for inside Loom. Someone they be wear their own black clothes for talk say they don't tire for this plenty die them. Amos we go put volume for here wait till the people they get for talk. Okay, we go take una, we go surely hear that one where we'll come back tomorrow. Now so we see Tori for this afternoon, country people them make we take una enter one time for waiting when newspaper then talk for this afternoon. We go take una go for the Star newspaper where they outside, country people them inside the Star newspaper a day for outside, wait to be the throne number them, palava for Mandamba work them, according to wait to Minister for Tourism Tokam, say all the work them for that side, it don't prepare and Mandamba go happen fine. Now so today they tell we, even as we the talk from Kunkuma say make she done, bring peace, according to the Star, plenty die they don't so they happen for Northwest and Southwest all the time them, people there they burn their house into the day. Now so to the Star, it tell we palava this appoint them for 14 city council them for inside country when Kunkuma make am for secretary general them. The Star e get order to read them where you fit for read when you buy the paper. We enter for inside the post where e dey outside to this early afternoon. Inside the post they tell we say dongamen for cabinet wey happen. Prime Minister e don vex and e don talk say minister them where e dey so they no one do work fine. Make the sabi say casting go to the way them and they don't talk say they no one all the kind of back thing the way they happen. According to wait the post it talk the post too it tell we as we the palava road for Yawende Douala the motorway that it talks in that 2020 way walk it go finish on top. Inside the same post newspaper you feel read Tori palava so people that will shake a shoot they don't kidnap some picking way be get for Starlight GCE today. Other Tori them you fit for it inside the post way it dey for outside. We enter for the sun it try for tell we inside this palava so 7 month picking where it dey so the tifam for inside the Douala plus for my 4 there as soon as see I'm gonna read that Tori say palava that 7 month picking we will talk and this morning time say they don't meet up that picking for this side so for inside the Douala. Now so to talk palava for appoint where they don't give them for picking for secretary general them for city council them you feel read them inside the Sun newspaper where it dey for outside. La francophonie self they don't talk say they go put them up on top this palava for Northwest and Southwest. So for inside a newspaper the Scoop newspaper where they outside it talk for we this afternoon palava waiting Fako land people there they dissociative land them they tell we as well opposition leader then say just now they don't talk say they go come out fly other document them book them where they never show them for outside. Inside the same Scoop newspaper you go read Tori palava Agbobala where ESSF country people them it don't take palava for Northwest and Southwest take and go now for Oslo for palava for Freedom Forum. Other Tori them you fit for read them inside the Scope newspaper where they outside. Look the Guardian newspaper too where they outside this morning time. Inside the Guardian newspaper they tell we as we Southern Cameroon SCNC head boy where we don't take national Tory house the one for Boyam for talk say Southern Cameroon don't get independence it don't die. Wait till you want hear about the palava you feel read them inside the Guardian post. Now so today they tell we 6 members them for the same family all them they shoot them so they sleep straight. Now for Baliwe this one it happen. Now so today they tell we some Nigerian school pikiwe the school for Kumbasai them they don't tiffy according to where the Guardian post talk plus 4 nurses and we just now they don't put them from Gata for Sikase waiting the spoil name from Gomna Hospital for that side so for inside Gadwa. The Median now another newspaper will look inside can the people them Inside the median, you fit read tori Palava Diongute wey e deny for talk anything for Greater Tango, even as we be get opportunity for talk for you for this cabinet dongame wey be just pass. Inside the same median sesep, you go read tori Palava as wey people dey also continue for die for northwest and southwest. Na so to the median e dey tell we Palava hospital for that side for Boya wey go dey look out people dem heart wey go open for number 1 day for inside number 6 moon. Last one we'll look for inside the column na Eden newspaper. Inside Eden newspaper wey dey outside the sun time, they tell we as we Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute he don't come out again with file for Limbe Deep Sea Port. This one na for inside cabinet dongame wey pass. You feel read tori to Palava Percy wey be don't talk say Southern Cameroon he don't get independence. So on top for that side for National Tori House Boya branch where they tell we to say don't die. Now so to they tell we say image them for satellite in the show say na soldier then SSF they don't uniform people them they do some kind of watching them for people them for inside northwest and southwest according to way he didn't talk. Plus Francophonie secretary we don't talk say they go try for support this Palava for Norway and southwest for see as we it go finish. Other tori them you feel read them. Now so make we see this announce we get case for Percy wey don lost this afternoon na pikin for 13 years. They call it na Kumbum Tat Yelen Kumbum Yelen the picking that Kumbum Tat Valen Andy as soon as he name he get na 13 years and it is so they say this picking he come up for the house on number 24 day inside this moon around 8:30 na for morning time and he as we come out no man no sabisa way he come go and since that time he never turn it back for their family compound for Bepanda Omnisport and they tell we say this picking he talk fine for Emmanuel Macron country talk and he talk to for Queen Elisa country talk and he Lembook and for that side so for Idi Lembook for some college for inside Walaye. So just now Oga Tatu Benjamin Idi beg any man we don't see this he get picking na 13 years picking make it try for call the dignity number the way you sound for before tele just now 697-828-100 653-942-502 or you bring it for Equinox Story House or this side for Aqua. Monsieur Tat de Benjamin annonce la disparition de sa fille Kumbum Tat Valen Andy, âgée de 13 ans. Elle serait sortie vendredi 24 mai 2019 aux environs de 8h30 pour se rendre dans une destination inconnue et depuis l'homme, elle n'est pas retenue au domicile familial 6 à Bepanda Omnisport. La jeune adolescente s'exprime très bien en français ainsi qu'en anglais. Car elle étudiait dans une école bilingue. Monsieur Tad de Benjamin prie toute personne qui la reconnaît ou est besoin de bien vouloir, c'est contacter au numéro que vous voyez sur l'écran 697 828 100 653 942 502 ou se rapprocher de la radio Equinox 6 à Bonakwama. Now so we see country for this afternoon country people them. We glad plenty for meet up una and we pray I say tomorrow for some time. Power go day again for turn back for talk. Thank you, Amos Fongo, Malice and Zefren Gondi. Una hold am tight for outside.